How to decline calls on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. From here, you can personalize iPhone in ways that work best for you with accessibility features for vision, mobility, hearing, speech, and cognition. Go to the Physical and Motor section and tap on Touch. On this page, you can manage various touch settings such as haptic touch, touch accommodations, tap to wake, shake to undo, back tap, and more. Here, scroll down and turn on the Prevent Lock to End Call feature. This feature prevents the side button from ending the current call. Following these steps, you can easily decline calls on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.